And hello, I'm Rob,
Maria.
and we do Rob and Maria Trading, where we talk about our funds that we manage every single day. But you asked us to create a smaller account so that smaller traders can take a look at how they might use the back testing that we use and the programs and strategies we have to make their own profits. And so we created the 6 trade a day challenge. And we're going to go over our results today. We try and go over every day. This is a fund that we started on September 1st, it was, with $30,000. We're going to do 6 multiple entry iron condors every day. We tell you at the beginning of the week on Sunday exactly the times to go in. We actually give you a 7th trade, the Gambler Special, which goes on with 9 minutes prior to close, which we won today. So 6 multiple entry iron condors. There's going to be a put credit spread and a call credit spread. The short put is going to be put on for a $1.85 premium just on the short side. The short call also just $1.85 on the short side. Then we're going to do 50 wide wings for the longs. We're going to do a 95% stop loss, again, just on the shorts, just on the short put and short call, 95% stop loss. And then one trigger another for getting out of the longs if the shorts get stopped out. If you don't know how to do that, just close them out manually if they have any value. So let's take a look at our results.
Okay, you see here our account balances for every 2 weeks. Opened in September 1st with $30,000. The second week we had a little dip, but as you can see, as of November 15th, we were up to $38,022. And here you see our graph for those weekly increases.
And now drum roll, the big reveal.
And as of today, up $288. A total up of $7,527 since September, up 24% in 80 days, and 114% rate of return.
Love that. High five. Nice. All right. I hope you're having a great day. Follow us every day. We will be putting out our trades on Sunday night after we do about 3.7 million back tests every weekend. We use 28 strategies in our funds, and we actually are trading this with real money. So,
and after this week, those trades will definitely probably move around.
They'll probably move around because we had the crazy market. But at any rate, Maria and I hope you have a great trading day. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments below. Feel free to reach out to us anytime. And remember, our production value will never be worse than it is today, and our acting will never be worse than it is today. It's only going to get better. Thanks a lot.
Especially his.
Especially mine. Thanks a lot and have a great day. That was very funny, madam.